Hello folks, I'm here at Sunnyside Park on Lakeshore Boulevard in Toronto. This is Lakeshore Boulevard right here. And this is Sunnyside Park near the Humber River. So I'm going to do a little walk to the Humber Bridge. And yeah, this is a short walk. This whole waterfront is miles upon miles long, so I'm not going to walk the whole thing. Yeah, it goes about a mile this way to Etobicoke and about a couple kilometers to the east side of Toronto over there. Okay, so yeah, here is the rates. Here are the rates for the parking. It's free parking Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. Monday to Friday. The rest of the times, you can see here, you have to pay. So yeah, let's take a look. Take a walk. During the summertime, this place is busy, like very busy, because of CNE and everything. So. Here's Lake Ontario. Lakeshore's right there, and then after that, I mean, just behind that, it's the Gardner Expressway. Let's take a look at this side. It is September 26th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is the Humber River, and this is the Humber Bridge. You can see down in the distance, massive condo developments everywhere here. There's a CN Tower right there. So yeah, this is Humber River, Humber Bridge. It's kind of cold today, so I'm not going to do any more walking outside. Hope you like this. I'm actually on my way to Etobicoke, so I stopped by here. One last look. There's another pathway down here. Well, that goes under the bridge, that pathway, as you can see there. Yeah, that goes under the bridge. So, let's go back. Yeah, the good time to come is during Monday to Friday, 5 a.m. to whatever the time I showed you, because it's free. And the weekdays, weekends, it's ridiculous. all of Toronto tries to come down here at once and jam up the DVP, jam up the Lakeshore Boulevard, jam up the Gardner Expressway, and jam up all the parking lots. So if you can, come on the weekdays. So I will end my walk here, looking at the CN Tower. There we go. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.